Hello, welcome to an unboxing video of the Panasonic G80, and these are some freebies, these three here. You might be wondering what this is actually how a spare battery came packaged. So I have the main thing, the Panasonic G80. I have a free microphone, I believe that's the lens, this monopod is free, and the spare battery is free in this bundle I got. So I'll put these to the side, we can have a look at these later. So I am filming this camera with my OnePlus 5T up here. This should be an upgrade and boost my camera quality. Okay, so this shows some optional accessories you can get. And there's some leaflets on top, a quick guide, the instruction manual, don't need those. And here we have the camera. Let's take a peek. First look at the Lumix G80. Hey. It's looking pretty nice. What else do we have in the box? You have a strap, nice. The box is empty. The bit where the battery goes to charge, the plug for the battery charger, a USB cable to micro USB, and the battery. So let's put these to the side for a bit now and take a look at the extras I have. So this is another battery, exact same as a previous one. I've got this mic as well, a lapel microphone, so hopefully this will improve the audio in my videos. I think it's quite cheap though. We've got a big Chinese sticker on the side here. But we can give that a test, see how that sounds. A monopod, even more packaging. So this would screw into the camera down here. That doesn't fit. This is too big. How can this come with that and not fit? I'm an idiot. This is how. By flipping it around. Here is the omnidirectional lapel lavalier mic. It comes in a nice pouch, and here we have, I think this is called a dead cat or a wind muff. The microphone itself, the clip, a converter, and a converter with an L tip. And this last one here is the lens, I believe. Nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. So we've got an instruction manual in here. We have this cap, and then we have the lens itself. It's smaller than I thought, to be honest. So this is the 25mm lens. It has an aperture of 1.7. That feels so smooth to turn. That is probably the smoothest thing I've ever turned in my life. That is weirdly satisfying. To recap, what I ordered was the Panasonic G80 with the 25mm f1.7 lens. Came with the strap, the micro USB to USB transfer cable. I have a plug, I have this to charge the battery, and it came with a battery. Then as a freebie, I also got this monopod, I got this lapel microphone, and another battery. And this is my ridiculous top-down view setup. I just attached some tape to my light and my phone and had it dangling there. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. I'm going to charge up some batteries now and have a little play around on the camera. Quite excited, to be honest. Catch you in the next one. Bye.